2026 Toyota Hilux represents a bold step forward in the evolution of one of the most respected and rugged pickups in the world. Though it isn't officially available in the United States, enthusiasts and truck lovers still find themselves captivated by its presence on the global stage. The Hilux has always been known for its exceptional durability, the kind that builds a reputation over decades and across continents, making it a trusted companion for work, adventure, and off-road exploration. The 2026 model takes this legacy and elevates it, introducing modern technology, more efficient powertrains, and a design that balances aggressive toughness with refined sophistication. At its core, the Hilux remains what it has always been, a vehicle built to endure the toughest conditions. Yet now it is more adaptable, more efficient, and more connected than ever before. Even though it will not reach US dealerships, understanding what the Hilux offers gives a fascinating perspective on Toyota's global approach to pickups and what it might mean for the US market in the future. The first thing that captures attention is the all-new 9th generation design. The front fascia has been reimagined with a bold and commanding presence, featuring slim LED headlights that give it a modern and aggressive stance without sacrificing the ruggedness for which the Hilux is known. Its muscular body lines extend throughout the cab and bed, giving it a solid and planted look, while the double cab layout provides ample room for passengers and gear. Every line, every curve, and every detail is designed to convey strength and capability, yet the design is far from outdated. The 2026 Hilux is a marriage of function and style, proving that durability does not require a sacrifice in aesthetics. This approach also signals Toyota's intent to appeal to a broader range of drivers worldwide, combining traditional pickup toughness with features that modern buyers have come to expect, including aerodynamic efficiency and visual sophistication. Under the hood, the 2026 Hilux offers a range of powertrains that reflect the diversity of global markets. For the first time in its history, the Hilux is available as a battery electric vehicle, representing Toyota's commitment to electrification and sustainable mobility. The electric Hilux features a dual e-axle system with all-wheel drive, providing smooth and silent power delivery while retaining the legendary capability that drivers associate with the Hilux name. The battery, estimated at around 59.2 kilowatt-hours, offers a range of roughly 186 miles, making it suitable for daily driving and light work tasks, while maintaining a respectable payload and towing capacity. This move into electric powertrains is significant, as it demonstrates Toyota's intention to future-proof the Hilux without losing its identity. Alongside the electric variant, Toyota continues to offer hybrid and mild hybrid diesel engines, providing a blend of efficiency and performance that appeals to both traditionalists and forward-thinking buyers. The 2.8-liter turbo diesel with a 48-volt mild hybrid system produces approximately 201 horsepower and up to 500 newton-meters of torque, offering smooth acceleration and improved fuel efficiency, along with the ability to tow up to 300 kilograms depending on configuration. For markets like the United States, where the Hilux will not officially be sold, the closest equivalent is the Toyota Tacoma. While the Tacoma does not match the global Hilux in terms of payload or towing in some trims, it shares the philosophy of rugged reliability and off-road capability. Comparing the Tacoma with the Hilux is fascinating because it shows how Toyota adapts its vehicles to different markets, taking a globally respected product and modifying it to meet local preferences, regulatory standards, and consumer expectations. The Tacoma remains highly competitive in the US midsize truck segment, offering strong engines, advanced safety features, and a comfortable interior. But it lacks the electric or hybrid diesel options that the Hilux now introduces. For buyers in the United States curious about the global Hilux, the Tacoma serves as a bridge, giving a taste of Toyota's engineering excellence while remaining accessible through official channels. The interior of the 2026 Hilux is a significant step forward in terms of technology, comfort, and usability. Inside, the cabin offers a modern environment that is both practical and connected, with dual 12.3-inch screens for the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system. Features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless charging, and an array of USB ports ensure that connectivity is seamless. The layout prioritizes driver ergonomics, with easily accessible controls and a logical arrangement of switches and buttons. Additionally, Toyota has invested in materials that are durable yet refined, reflecting the dual nature of the Hilux as both a workhorse and a vehicle for personal enjoyment. Comfort is enhanced through supportive seating, climate control systems, and noise insulation improvements, making long journeys more pleasant and reducing driver fatigue, which is crucial for both professional and recreational use. Off-road capability remains central to the Hilux's identity. The new model retains the ladder frame chassis that has long been a hallmark of Toyota's rugged pickups, providing strength and flexibility across a variety of terrains. Advanced traction control systems, terrain management options, and hill descent control allow drivers to confidently navigate challenging landscapes. The wading depth has been increased to approximately 700 millimeters, ensuring that the Hilux can handle river crossings, flooded roads, and other water obstacles with ease.